Today I'm checking out this pipe crimping tool that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then test it out. And out of the box, it comes in this lovely case. I love it when tools come with their own case. We open it up. We have the manual in this little pocket back here. We have the crimping tool itself, battery charger, a strap for the crimping tool, cable for the battery charger. We've got two crimping attachment pieces here. This is a 1/2 inch. This is 3/4 inch. We got the main jaws right here where you can put those crimping attachments in. And then this connects to this. And then it comes with two 18-volt batteries. Everything's there that I need. Let's test this thing out. When I pulled out the manual, I forgot to mention it does have this little sizing chart here. So it lets you know what crimping sizes you need to put on. All right, so I've got the batteries fully charged. I've got the main crimp head put on, and then I've got the 1/2 inch fittings put in here so I can do the 1/2 inch copper. I'm gonna go ahead and get the battery in it. We're gonna get this copper connection crimped. When you squeeze the trigger the first time, it's gonna light up this little display that's in here. And this says device usage 0, because I haven't done anything with it yet. And you've got these two LED lights here that will shine down on whatever project you're working on. It's got this real quick adjustment tool here so that you can spin this and you can pull the pin, slide it in, turn it the other way so you can quickly change jaws. And then of course fittings can be put in real easy by pushing these little tabs and letting you kind of snap in those fittings. So everything's real nice and quick. You can switch out sizes and jaws and everything very quickly. That's it. This thing's crimped on there really nice and tight. Another thing is this head swivels 180 degrees, so you can move it to the side, you can flip it around. So yeah, I really like that. It helps you get into those weird little angles. Easy tool to use, really nice fast crimps, nice and tight crimps. I like it. I think you will too, and I hope all of this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.